The future is now. The Robocleaner from Karcher. The Robocleaner will change your life because it vacuums your floors even when you are not at home. You have a choice of 4 cleaning programs. The Robocleaner vacuums up to 15 square meters an hour. Contact sensors detect obstacles. With its intelligent dirt recognition sensor, the Robocleaner adjusts itself to suit the degree of soiling. The Robocleaner gets into every corner and finds its way out again. Cleaning different floor coverings is no problem for the Robocleaner. It negotiates obstacles such as small ridges with the help of its sprung wheels. Optical sensors enable the Robocleaner to identify stairs reliably. It travels systematically backwards and forwards across heavily soiled areas until they are clean, and then continues on its way. Guided by an infrared navigation beam, the Robocleaner returns to base. After docking, it transfers its load of dirt to the base station and recharges its battery for the next tour of duty. If you want the Robocleaner to vacuum while you are at home, simply switch it to the quiet mode. Its low build enables it to travel without difficulty under most items of furniture. The Robocleaner from Karcher. The future is now.